And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Getting a little warm across the valley again. Temperatures back well into the 90s. Some areas over 100 this afternoon. You see these current temperatures have hit 100 in Rio Grande City. It's back down from about 100 in Edinburg and McAllen. Mostly stay in the 90s today in the lower valley. But I think the trend the next couple days is going to be hot and sunny weather, maybe even a couple degrees hotter than today, which means above 100 in more places. This evening, though, if you're headed out, still mostly in the low 90s at 7 p.m., but falling into the 80s. Should eventually get into the upper 70s tonight with mainly clear skies around and just a light wind from the southeast overnight. Tomorrow's highs, the heat's going back again, going back up. About 100 tomorrow afternoon in Weslaco. From there westward, near or above 100. Mostly in the 90s over Cameron and Wolsey counties and near 90 at the island. But I think, if you've been outside today, look up. Clouds are kind of puffy, but they're there a little bit to block the sun. I think tomorrow probably less clouds and then even less for Saturday and Sunday. Just a lot of sunshine really for the weekend. So tomorrow 79 degrees at 8 a.m. but mainly just sunshine throughout the day with temperatures in the 90s and some areas again over 100 degrees for a little while later in the afternoon and close to 5 o'clock. Look at temperatures across South Texas, and there's nothing like really scorching hot. I mean, for late July, sometimes you see these numbers like 105, 106. So it's kind of just hot, but not super hot. But 101 in Laredo, 99 in San Antonio. Some of the hottest there is actually to the north, where it's 100 still in Austin right now, 99 in Dallas. And it looks like when we look at future track, the area of hot weather is kind of the center of this upper level high. That's in North Texas. That area kind of meanders around, but starts to spread a little bit more to the south tomorrow and for the weekend. So I think that makes us a little bit hotter and more sunnier for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which also means probably no rain anywhere through the weekend, just mainly sunny skies. So Saturday, you see a lot of hot weather. Sunday, you see a lot of hot weather. Some of the weather patterns, the weather models kind of say this upper high will shift westward next week, which could allow more of a northerly flow across Texas and could bring slightly cooler temperatures to the valley, but we'll have to watch each day later next week to see if any storms and clouds from up north kind of blow down our direction. I think that might be a possibility late next week. But if you're traveling the next couple days, look how hot it's going to be across Texas. Morning temperatures not scorching hot, but by afternoon, a lot of places near or above 100 for a little while late in the afternoon on Friday. And again on Saturday, you see temperatures by Saturday afternoon, a lot of triple-digit numbers around there, especially across South Texas and the valley. So first 7-day forecast. It's still summer, so it's still hot, but I think the hottest days of the next 7 kind of centered around this weekend. Highs near 100 tomorrow, 101 on Saturday and Sunday. Each day that will range from about 90 at the coast, about 105 or hotter in Starr County. Could be close to record highs this weekend. By Monday, small chances of a shower picking up. Later next week, we kind of have to watch and see moisture building if any storms from the north are able to kind of pop up and blow down. I think the better chance of that would be late next week by Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe Friday. We'll keep watching for rain, though, in your First Warn 5 forecast coming up.